Hello everyone and welcome back to Milo Farms. Well, today we are up near Thorn Creek Butte Lookout north of Boise and up around probably 7,000 feet or something like that. Beautiful day today, brand new groomed trail this morning. We were the first ones on it, but it was about 5 degrees when we left the truck this morning. It's a little warmer now, but when it's that cold, one thing you got to keep in mind, especially on a groomed trail, is you're not getting very good lubrication on your track. So a thing I always use is I use these ice scratchers. They make all different kinds of them. These particular ones, I'm not sure what brand they are. They came with these machines, but the ones I use are Stacool brand scratchers. They look just like these, very similar except the mounting bracket, but it works the same way. So the scratchers will scratch the snow or ice, kick it up into the track to keep you at least a little bit of lubrication when you're on the trails that are icy. And then when you don't want to use them or you want to put them away, they just clip up just like that out of the way. So I'll link to these in the description. You can take a look at them. They're about $45 a pair, brand new. And then if you do backup or break one, they're about $15 each to replace them. You can buy them individually. I just use the Stacool brand because I can get them easily. But like I said, I'll link in the description to those. There's all other different kinds of brands you can check out. So take a look around, see what would fit you the best. And hope everybody enjoyed the video. Remember, you can't finish a project without getting started.